guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful little piece of art. Now this was just an old photo frame, and this was some special jewellery that my mother-in-law gave me probably about a year ago, and she passed away in August 2020. And I absolutely loved her to bits, and I wanted to make something which sort of represented her and me. So I've used some of her costume jewellery and I've used some of my costume jewellery, and as you can tell is that we both absolutely loved hearts. So I've done this in remembrance of my mother-in-law because she was absolutely a fantastic lady. You could also do it to something to represent on someone who's passed, or an animal if you've got like the name tag of an animal, and you can also do like the same sort of thing as well, so you can put their name, their collar name onto there as well, which would be really lovely. But if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all is that you need some old photo frames. Now I've had these probably about 15 years, and I've put old wallpaper in here to match my decor at the time, so obviously don't need that anymore. So yeah, some photo frames and just some old costume jewellery. Now I've got plenty in here, and I've probably got more upstairs in my drawer. So I thought rather than just being stuck in the drawer that I probably won't even wear, I thought I'd make something out of it. So there's lots and lots and lots of different things in there. So I thought, oh, I can use this and this will match my decor now. So that's what we need to begin with. So now we're going to take the back off this. Keep the glass in there. And then with this, we're just going to draw around it. And then we're going to cut that out. And we'll see if it fits. That's in. A little bit off. So now we've got our nice white frame for our base. Next is to choose what bits and pieces that you're going to use, and I think this is going to be really nice. And then I've got other things in here which have got little hearts on. I've got other things which have probably got hearts on as well. Lots of little different bits and pieces on here. I've got hearts on these, so I'm going to use quite a few of the hearts on these bits and pieces of jewellery. So we just need to make what we want to do on there first, and I think there'll be a nice little heart shape on there. So I'm going to glue these bits down before I cut this one off here. So with just my glue gun, and now with my little jewellery cutters, I can get in there. So now with all the jewellery, I've cut off all the little bits what I want to use. I've got all these beautiful tiny little hearts, so I'm just going to arrange them on here to see where I want them. I think they're going to look nice there. Maybe that one there. I think I quite like it like that. So all I need to do now is just glue them down. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to have a go yourself. Remember, you can always do this with the kids as well. If you've got young children and they're bored, then you can just get some, maybe like pasta and things like that, or spaghetti, and they can make things and place them on there. So that'd be really easy and quite a fun project as well for the kids to do. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.